Uh-huh. What? Oh, is it that door? What is happening, everybody? TZ here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, SMKW.com. Today, I'm joined by Mr. Maury Ford.
TC, how are you, man? It's been a while.
Doing good. It has been a while.
Been too long.
You know, you've invited us up here, which we're not. We're 45 minutes from the store. And
why did it take so long to get you guys
here? It's taken
here?
way too long.
I don't understand. But we're glad you're here.
Yeah.
That's beside the point.
We got the opportunity to do some really cool stuff today, including what we're about to talk about. And we've got a lot to talk about.
Yes.
The first up being a nice exclusive that we got coming with Case.
Man, you know, last year we introduced what we called our modern EDC. Now, Isaac's giving me some grief about that, but it's, hey, listen, for Case, it's very modern. So we're excited about that. We've got the Marilla. We won the American Made Knife of the Year. We had the Kinzu. So we've got some great things with that. But one of the things you guys, in Smoky fashion, you challenged us right out of the gate, man, let's do something exclusively for Smoky. You know, at Case, you know, we always say we're kind of like an aircraft carrier. We don't turn really quick. You know, it's hard for us to pivot because we're handcrafted, we're American made. But on this item, man, our engineers got behind it, our innovations team got behind it. And this is something that you guys have really wanted. We're proud to be able to do this for Blade Show. That was kind of I'll be honest, that was a stretch goal for us.
Right.
Could you get it by Blade Show? We're like, internally, we're like, that's going to be rough. But you know what? Everybody worked together. We're getting better at this modern stuff. And proud to have that.
This is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just beautiful work on this thing.
So some of the cool stuff about that is,
yeah,
as you guys know, so that fat carbon inlay, you know, we have the G10 inlay on ours. You've got that fat carbon inlay. We've beveled the edges. We've done some really cool stuff in that. But really, the trigger for this one, the one that really makes this the, you know, I think I said before, the Trapper's the Mac Daddy. But as far as our modern knives, you'll see right in there if you get up close, Magnacut steel.
Yeah.
You know, that was one, and Tyler really challenged us. He said, "Man, you want to kind of make a statement in this modern segment. You come out with Magnacut pretty early on." And so we did that as a Smoky exclusive. We're going to have 500 of these. That's a pretty short run for us, and obviously for you guys on that. That blue anodized aluminum handle with that Nebula. Really for the first full production run, and I know you guys had launched a really small pilot run.
Right.
I think those went like that.
Oh, yeah.
I tried to get one, man. That's pretty tough.
I did too, and I was like, man. Well,
there's no inside track on that stuff.
I'll let somebody else have a shot at that one. So.
But the 500 will be good, and we thought that first out of the gate, this is our first modern EDC exclusive for anybody.
Yeah.
It's for Smoky Mountain Knife Works. You got that anodized blue aluminum handle, and that patriotic. It's called Nebula.
Right.
To me, I'm like, that looks like just America.
Yeah,
you know, I don't know why we're calling it Nebula when it should just be America. But it's got everything. It's got all the great features. Again, that was the knife of the year at last year's Blade Show. So we're up in the game at this year's Blade Show. And as a Smoky exclusive, and I know you guys got that promoted, but these things won't last long.
No, they're not. Now, what's the price point on these coming out?
Well, you may have to get with Tyler and Josh on that. The goal was, you know, one of the great things about some of the Magnacut is that even though it's a premium steel, and if you really research that, and we did some research, you guys know this already, we're a little new into this game. So we're learning these premium steels, but just the corrosive resistance. If you look at the chart that says, you know, what makes these premium high quality steels, checks all the boxes. And some it is, I don't know if the Magna simplifies that it's off the chart nearly, because some of it is nearly off the chart. But that is not, even though it's a premium steel, it's not a huge gap from what, you know, our 135.99 is the regular Marilla.
Yeah.
I think this is going to be in that 169, 179 with the fat carbon, with the Magnacut. Don't hold me to that if that's not right, because Tyler and Josh will be all over me. But I know the goal was to kind of keep this as close to that price point. There are some differences. And anytime we do a special run, it's going to be a little bit different. But
this thing is gorgeous. And deep carry pocket clip, reversible, tip up. I mean, and great ergonomics too.
Yes.
I mean, this is just a beautiful knife. Great jimping on the back there. And with that color scheme, I think this is going to go insane.
I will get me one of these. I will say
there we go.
I missed the first one. There was less than 40. There will be 500 of these, so I'm getting in early. Can you put a word in for me?
I'll see what I can do. See if
we can get somebody in there. But no, the Magnacut, you know, the Marilla has gained popularity. People that have done it reviewed it. They love it. It's one of my everyday carry now.
Yeah.
And I still have, I'm a traditional slip joint guy.
Yeah,
I still got my
absolutely.
slip joint, always
Absolutely.
will. But I've been carrying a Marilla for a year, and man, it is awesome. It is
Yeah.
awesome. So excited about that. Excited to launch it at Blade Show with you guys, and just excited to have a Smoky Mountain Knife Work exclusive and Magnacut.
I'm super
From Case.
stoked, and this being the first day of Blade Show, dropping that today, so this is going to be really cool, folks. You need to get these while you can. So the link's going to be in the description below. All you got to do is click on that. It's going to take you right to our website. You're going to have an opportunity at this, and remember, you can only get this at Smoky Mountain Knife Works, SMKW.com. So
And don't be like me and miss out. So
That's right.
I'm getting one. I'm getting one. So.
folks, as always, it's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, along with Mari Ford. And remember, the cuts like a case exclusive that we carry.